Hey Pure family, welcome to another tutorial for livepure.com. This is Alina Bui, and today I'm going to show you how to create a new Autoship and edit an existing Autoship on your account in the new system. We've redesigned Autoships so that you can personalize them, and we've added some new UI features so that you can easily keep track of your Autoships. Make sure you're logged into your account before you start. We will create a new Autoship using the mega menu, and you can just add a product by clicking Autoship. That'll prompt you with the window with the list of Autoships that you have, or a new Autoship that you just created. We'll add probiotic to the new open Autoship. After that, you'll see that it's been added to the new Autoship. We'll add another product to that Autoship. So that's the first way that you can add products to an Autoship. Next, we'll go over to Shop and see what it looks like to add products to an Autoship from here. We'll scroll down the page, find another product we love, and then add it to the same Autoship. Going to add a couple more. Then we're going to go to the arrow at the top and then click on My Autoships. Now in My Autoships you can see the new Autoship that we've just created. And it's currently red because it's inactive. You'll notice that there's no name and there's also no countdown, so we'll need to activate that by clicking Edit Order and updating our settings. We can create a custom name for this Autoship. So if you were to create an Autoship for your family member or friends, you can name it Family or Friend Autoship or name it after them. You'll need to set the run date. If you need to update your next run date, you can come back and change it. You can also use a different credit card because we've added a feature where you can have multiple payment methods. You'll need to select your shipping method. You can also edit your shipping address or billing address if you need your pack shipped to a different address than your billing address. You can also update your products, the quantities. You can remove products, so it's really easy to customize each Autoship that you make. After that, you'll click Save and Activate to activate that Autoship. So you'll notice your Autoship turned green and there's a countdown. If you need to go back and edit another Autoship, click Edit Order, and let's just change the name of this Autoship for fun. It's an old Autoship, and let's remove that product. Once you do that, you need to make sure you select your shipping method, hit save. You'll see the Autoship was updated and it did remove that product. Now if you'd like to cancel an Autoship, click Edit Order again and then click Cancel Autoship. It'll ask if you'd like to cancel the Autoship, and the Autoship has been removed from your account. We hope that the Autoship redesign improves your Autoship experience so that it'll be easier for you to get the products that you love from us. We look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.